Hello, my quilty friends. It's Stacy of Stacy Creates Stuff. And the question today is, did you like last week's block? I hope you did, because this week, same block, different color. It really is a fun block to make. And so I will once again give you a quick tutorial on how to put it together, but it is basically just a sawtooth star inside a sawtooth star. So if you already did last week's block and you're feeling confident, just check that guide for what pieces you need exactly, or check on my website where I have a blog post that details exactly how to put this block together. So here is the quick little recap of how it goes together. Here is block 9. This bag has a lot of pieces in it. That is because we are going to be making 8 of this block. And this block is the same as block 8, just in different colors. So we have lots of tiny squares in our dark green or medium green and white. We have some rectangles in white. These pieces will go to make that center small star. And then, along with these green centers. And then we have blue and white for the outer part of the star. So if you watched last week's video, you already know how this goes together. And if you didn't, it's okay. I'm going to show you how. Here we are with our pieces ready to lay out our block. So let's start with that center square. We have our very center in green, and it's a green star. So we'll put all of our little points around that way. And then, of course, to fill in, I realize this is white fabric on the white background, but that's how it is. And of course, this is like a little mini block in and of itself. You have to put this block together before you can continue. It's 3 rows of 3 pieces that get all sewn together to form that. So there's our mini star, and from there we are ready to add the outer pieces. So this larger star is a white star, so we'll be putting these pieces all the way around, and then our blue in the corners. And again, it goes together just like all of our star blocks, 3 rows with 3 pieces each. Yes, this counts as 1 unit. And when you sew all those together, you get your finished block. So this is just like block 8, but in different colors, and you will be making a total of 8 of these blocks. If this was your first time joining me, welcome, and you too can download the free pattern guide for this quilt along right from my website. There is a link in the description below. If you love the colors that I did my quilt in, well, good news, there is a kit available from my favorite quilt shop, Vintage Pink and Green. Again, all those links are in the description below. Next week, we have another star block, and, well, I'm not going to tell you too much about it. So, until then, why not watch this?